Hi guys, I'm here at the roadside talking with my sister-in-laws, the one that's sitting on the bench and the one that is standing and serving the food, and she's almost, there's still a lot of food in there, but at the end it's always gone. And I think she's serving the pancit canton right now. Yeah, pancit canton, and that looks yummy. Pancit canton. It's 25 peso per serving, that pancit.